Yo, good day, my people. Welcome back to this channel. This is B-Footies. If you are just doing for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share as well. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to bypass a pattern or how to make a pattern, whichever we bought. It is not the real step of making a new pattern. It's just a step of bypassing a pattern. How to bring out a pattern out of an existing pattern. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have three major ways in which we can make a pattern. The first step is the general one, the common one, whereby we tape our last hand, we sketch, we draw out the design of the shoe we are making on the last. That is the general and the common one. The second one is whereby you have your picture, the picture of the shoe you want to make, and you sketch it out you draw it out on your cardboard. The third one is this, which the third one is bypassing a pattern, whereby you have an existing pattern and you try to bring out another design from the existing pattern. So, and that is what I'm showing you here today. Okay, we have loafers. The design of the shoe we are making is let me say it's a half shoe loafers. Okay, we have the pattern of our monk strap already. So as you can see, so we try to follow what the design of the shoe says. Okay, that is the other end of the design, other end of the shoe, in which we had to cut out from the existing pattern. Yeah. So what we did here is we tried to bring out the first step of the shoe, which is the half shoe. Like I said, the design is a half shoe loafers. So we tried to bring out the design of the half shoe, and it's not even a normal half shoe. If you see how the design, I'm very sure you see how the design of the half shoe is. So let's follow the process and let's see how it is done. Okay, so guys, we have a Telegram channel, a Telegram platform whereby we show people, we post details of shoes, we post some little stuffs on there for you to see. At times we post stuff on there before posting on here. So you can always you can click on the link below the video to join the Telegram channel. And if you'd like to be part of the business, you want to buy from us, or you want to be a reseller, you can always hit us up on all our social media platforms at B.Footies on Facebook and on Instagram. So also our WhatsApp link is below the video. So let's get back to the video. Okay, yeah, I'm very sure most of you will be wondering how we got the other end of the shoe. If you follow the video, or if you've been following the video, you will see the parts where we remove the rest of the loafers, the rest of the pattern from from the one we are doing, in order to follow the design of the shoe. So here we have the remaining part in which we removed earlier. So here we have it. We are trying to bring out. We are trying to join it to bring out the details. We are trying to follow the details of the design. So that's what we're doing here, as you can see. And while we have our pattern, our loafers pattern underneath the new pattern we are doing, is to give it a guide, to guide the new design, so that it won't be above the normal pattern of a shoe, and it won't be below it. It serves as a guide for the new pattern. So that's why it's the loafers, the pattern loafers is underneath the new the pattern in which we are trying to bring out. Okay, yeah, like if you've been following my video, there is a video I did on Birkenstock slide, how to get a right side and the left hand side and the right hand side of a shoe or of a slide. Not all slides requires right hand side or left hand side. So same thing is being done here. After getting the rest of the design of the pattern of the loafers, so we use the design to bring out the other leg, since we are done cutting the right hand side, since that's what we use to bring out the pattern. So we use the right hand side in which we have already to also bring out the what we just did was we flipped it over. As you can see here, we flip the pattern over, and we bring out the left hand side of the shoe, of the design of the pattern. So that's how it is done. So and there is a point in which we had to to pierce the pattern. So we press it in just because we don't want you to we know our point in which we are going to the max, or let me say the max or the limit we are to go when fixing the half shoe and the rest of the loafers. Like I said, it's a half shoe loafers, so that was why we had to punch it so that we won't go beyond the given area, the given point, so as to bring out exactly what is in the design. So that is how it is done, as you can see. So that is all about that. So here we have our results, as you can see. Fine, neat, clean and beautiful design. So thank you very much for staying tuned rather. See you guys next time in my next video. Stay tuned. Shalom.